In this video we will make the Cathedral of Brasilia designed by the famous architect Oscar Niemeyer. This consists of several components arranged around a central form. First we will make the hyperbolic finger-like components. Create a new file adaptive type. At the reference level place 4 points. Make sure to turn on the Draw on Face button. Hold the points and make them adaptive. Join the points with a spline. And check inside the box is reference line to make it a reference line. Place a point at the line. Set a vertical plane and place a rectangle over it. Hold the rectangle and make the lines reference lines by checking in the box is reference line. Place line dimensions between the sides of the rectangle and the point. Align the lower side of the rectangle with the point and lock and create parameters for the width and the depth. Place 1 point on the top side and 2 points at the lower side. Change the normalized curve parameter values of the points such that the point on the upper side is at the midpoint and the points at the lower side are at the ends. Join the points to form a triangle. Hold everything and copy and paste at the screen 2 more times. Hold the point and press Pick New Host button and place it on the line. Change the normalized curve parameter of the points to place them at the ends and center. Assign new width and depth parameters to the triangle at the middle. Tab through and select the sides of the 3 triangles along with the line and create a form. Change the dimensions in the box. Make the middle triangle bigger. Hold the form and assign a new material parameter to it. This form is to be loaded into another file. Create a new file conceptual mass type. Create new levels at the elevation. At the level 1, place a circle and create a radius parameter. Hold the circle and check inside the boxes is reference line and center mark visible. Align the center mark to the central planes and lock. Copy this to the clipboard and from there copy it to the other levels. Go to the level 2 and create new radius parameter and align the central mark to the planes and lock. Repeat for the other levels as well. Change the units to meters. Go to View and select all the circles and create a form. Change the parameter values to get this form. By adjusting the radius values, the form can be changed to a perfect form. Hold the surface of the form and select Divide Surface. Change the grid distance values and turn on the nodes from the pop-up. Go back to the first file and load it into the mass file. And place the component over 4 points as shown. Sometimes the component rotates by itself, so we have to create a rotation parameter for the component points. Go back to the first file and filter out the 3 points at the line and assign a rotation parameter to them. Reload the file and overwrite. Hold the component and try out different values for rotation till it seems to be in the perfect position. Since the first file is a shared file, we have to make all the parameters instance parameters in order to be able to create associate parameters. Place a circle at the level and create a new radius for the inner form and lock the center. Just like we did for the outer form. Copy and paste to all the levels except the top level. Load back and create the associate parameters. Write width and depth equal to the v-grid divided by a number. Hold the component and press repeater. Adjust the v-grid and width till a required composition is reached. Repeat for the other half. Assign material. To create the inner form, go to the elevation and place a level below the level 4. Change the name of the level to the top of the inner form. Place a circle at level 1 and assign a radius parameter and lock the center point to the planes. Copy at the other levels and lock the centers to the planes and lock. Select the circles and create the inner form. Adjust the radii. To create the inner form, we follow the same procedure as the outer form. Please like, share and subscribe.